Welcome everyone. I'm Nikki Field from Sotheby's International Realty, and it is my pleasure to welcome you today to 111 West 57th Street. Today you have a private viewing of Penthouse 76, what I call a little bit of heaven on earth. Right off of the entry gallery, you step into this jaw-dropping grand salon. Please note the 14-foot ceilings. It is also 52 feet long, spanning east to west. Yes, that is the Hudson River, and over here is the East River. And this is the very best view you will ever see of Central Park. Yes, that is the reservoir, and yes, that is the Metropolitan Museum. Beyond the park, you can see views of the George Washington Bridge, the foothills of the Catskills, and the Long Island Sound. When you see helicopters that close, you know you're in the sky. But a home is much more than a view. Let's talk about how you entertain 76 floors above Manhattan. This grand salon has plenty of space for conversation, cocktails, and dining, making it the perfect place for the world's most exclusive party. But let's not forget the craftsmanship and the artistry of the design. Details include custom smoke gray oak floors, exquisite lighting fixtures, and gallery walls for the most discerning of art collections. This redefines elevated living in New York. Entertaining continues at the southern wing of the apartment with this panoramic view of downtown Manhattan. The Empire State Building, the Statue of Liberty, One World Trade Center, the New York Harbor, the Atlantic Ocean, and if you look really closely, a glimpse of London. Every New York resident needs a home office, and this one has the best view ever. Can you imagine making your next deal here? I can. The southern wing also includes this amazing kitchen. It features quartzite countertops and backsplashes and all Gaggenau appliances, and enough room for a breakfast table. This kitchen is so glamorous it might even entice a Manhattanite to cook at home. Now follow me upstairs to the private wing. There are 3 bedrooms on this level, each one dramatic in its design. And of course, showcasing those dynamic views. But it's the primary suite that you have to see. And what a primary suite it is. 6 rooms in all. A bedroom, a sitting room, 2 dressing rooms, 2 bathrooms, and a sexy bar for late night celebrations. How romantic is this? Waking up here will definitely make you feel like New York royalty. Oh, thank you for coming today to see New York's most glamorous penthouse. Hope to see you soon.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.